Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Venmo direct deposit option not showing up. So first of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Open up App Store on your device, and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the Venmo app, and if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. This should fix Venmo direct deposit option not showing up, but if it doesn't, then you need to clear App Cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. From here, search for the Venmo app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload app. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix Venmo direct deposit option not showing up, but if it doesn't, then open up the Venmo app on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, you need to tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down and tap on the Get Help option. It'll take you to this screen. Over here, you need to tap on the Contact Us option to contact customer support officials. Once connected, briefly explain the issue to the Venmo app representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hello team, I recently decided to start using Venmo's direct deposit feature, but I can't seem to find the option anywhere. I've checked all the usual places like the settings and payment method sections, but there's no direct deposit option listed. Is there a specific reason why the direct deposit feature isn't available to me, or is there something I need to do on my end to activate it?" Hopefully, the Venmo app customer representative will help you fix Venmo direct deposit option not showing up. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.